everyone, and welcome back to Operation Water Drop, a program for English speaking and reading in a way you can share with your students. Today, we will be learning Lesson 16, the story of Moses, Pharaoh, and the plagues. We will also be learning about the parts of our body and how to express when it hurts or it is in pain. Are you ready? Grab your notebooks, sit up straight, and let's get started. Let's learn our new vocabulary words together. Are you ready? Leave. Leave. The student leaves his house at 7:30 in the morning to go to school. Leave. Refuse. Refuse. The doctor refuses to eat any food that is unhealthy for him. Refuse. Send. Send. The girl is sending a letter by putting it in the mailbox. Send. Plagues. Plagues. Plagues are diseases or problems that spread quickly among many people. Plagues. Flies. Flies. Flies are insects with 6 legs and 2 wings. Flies. Frogs. Frogs. Frogs hop and jump, and they can be many different colors. Frogs. Unmoved. Unmoved. The horse is unmoved by his master. He does not want to move or to change. Unmoved. Decide. Decide. To decide is to choose between 2 or more options. Decide. Firstborn. Firstborn. The firstborn is the first baby in the family. Firstborn. Egyptians. Egyptians. Egyptians are the people who lived in Egypt. Egypt is a country in North Africa. Egyptians. Healed. Healed. To be healed is to be healthy and whole again after you have been sick or unwell. Healed. Great job, everyone. Let's learn our power verse together. Are you ready? Jeremiah chapter 17, verse 14. Heal me, Lord, and I will be healed. Save me, and I will be saved. For you are the one I praise. Let's read it together one more time. Jeremiah chapter 17, verse 14. Heal me, Lord, and I will be healed. Save me, and I will be saved. For you are the one I praise. Great job, everyone. Now let's read My Precious Book together. My Precious Book, page 33. God sent Moses to tell Pharaoh, "Let my people leave Egypt." But Pharaoh refused. So God sent plagues to Egypt, including flies and frogs that were all over Egypt. Still, Pharaoh was unmoved. Finally, God decided to kill all the firstborn sons of the Egyptians. What did God want Moses to tell Pharaoh? We can learn 3 important points today from our story in My Precious Book and from our power verse. Number 1, we should listen when God tells us something. Do not be like Pharaoh and be unmoved. Number 2, God showed his power to the Egyptians to save his people from slavery. God cares for you and wants to save you too. Number 3, God is our healer. When we are sick, we can pray to him and he will listen. Great job, everyone. Now let's learn our new English vocabulary words. Today we are learning about the parts of the body. Are you ready? Body. Body. It is important to keep your body healthy and strong. Body. Head. Head. Shoulders. Shoulders. Knees. Knees. Toes. Toes. Eyes. Eyes. Ears. Ears. Mouth. Mouth. Nose. Nose. Arms. Arms. Hands. Hands. Fingers. Fingers. Legs. Legs. Feet. Feet. You can say 2 feet, or you can say 1 foot. Foot. Back. Back. Stomach. Stomach. Headache. Headache. Stomach ache. Stomach ache. Hurt. Hurt. Great job, everyone. Let's practice our English grammar. For example, for the word hurt, we say, my body part hurts. For example, my leg hurts. My knees hurt. My eyes hurt. Hurt is a verb, so when you talk about one body part, it's like he, she, or it. My leg, one leg, hurts. When it's two or more body parts, we use hurt like the word they. My knees hurt. We also use another word in English called ache. Ache is a synonym for hurt, but we use it in a different way. We can say, I have, for the word ache. I have a headache. I have a backache. I have a stomach ache. Great job, everyone. Lesson 16, Dialogue. Mary, are you okay? I'm not feeling well today. I have a headache and a stomach ache. I am sorry to hear you aren't feeling well. Maybe you should go to the doctor. Thanks, Dan. I will talk to the school nurse first. Maybe she can help. That's a good idea. Last week, I hurt my shoulder playing with my brother. The nurse gave me medicine to help me. How do you use your body? I use my head to think. I use my eyes to look and to see. I use my ears to listen. I use my nose to smell. I use my mouth to speak. I use my arms to hug. I use my hands to write. I use my legs and feet to walk and run. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you can practice your new vocabulary words about the parts of the body. If this video helped you learn English, please like and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!